Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I found this. It's a drawing app and it's called Sketch right here. Okay. And I'm going to teach you, if you don't know this but this drawing app, go check it out. It's really fun. And you can do a lot of things with it because you can go to scripts, make your own blocks, you can do all this stuff. I'm just going to teach you how to make a very easy beat and just movement. So easy beat. So what you want to do is you want to go to events, click win, click the flag, you put that there. Go to controls. You can put repeat, but you don't need to. But if you want to do what I'm doing, you should put repeat and go to sound. Now you can add anything you want. I'm just going to do a nice little beat. So I'm going to start with a drum. Now when you hit the flag right here, don't know if you can hear it. Okay, make it a little bit louder. Oops, a little bit too loud, but it makes a tiny drum. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a note to it. Now when you click this, it shows you a piano, and if you listen to the sound you're making. Add a few more notes. I don't think this is going very well, so let's lower down the notes a little bit. Let's add a few more. Add another one. So you can do what I'm doing. Actually, I just did the exact same note. That sounds better. Do one more. That sounds good. Let's stop that. That's starting to get irritating. But next thing you want to do is you're just going to do some of this. Okay? So we're going to do a motion. So you click this, go back to scripts, motions. Alright, so let's move that down there. Add another event. Okay? You can actually add repeat or no repeat, but I'm actually going to add repeat. Repeat right there. And what we're going to do is you're going to go to looks, grab switch custom to, and that. Click custom 1 first. Click controls, go to wait a second, put that right underneath it. Then go to looks again and add the second one. If you have more, you can continue doing this. So now I can go to background right here. When I add the background, I'm going to not do that. I'm just going to add a tiny little thing here. I'm just going to grab some green and I'm going to make some grass. Don't ask. Showing some grass. And if it's not center, you can just move him up there. I have 2 motions for now. And if I add it, I'm not going very fast. So what we want to do is go to the second, repeat it for a 0, 1, maybe that'll go faster. Add a few more times, he'll do that. And this will keep going. And if it's still not enough, just add like quite a bit so that it won't stop when they're watching it. But that's just to do an easy one. Alright, so I stopped it for now. Now if I go to custom, you can see that it doesn't look that interesting here. Well, you can actually copy and paste it, but we're not going to do that right now. We'll get to that later. But right now I'm just going to, go to backdrop where I was before and add a blue sky. Boop. Now I have blue sky. I'm going to go to white and I'm going to add some clouds. Cloud there. And I'm actually going to do a motion on the backdrop here. So the clouds will be moving. Or else it looks like this. He's not running at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the clouds move. So I'm going to hit this. I added one. What I'm going to do is, oh wait, you can't copy it. Well, what you could do if you're in script, you could copy and paste. So you would grab this icon right here. You would grab what you want to copy, go around, put it around the entire thing. You would go Control C. You hit Control C. Go to your next one. Go to the one you want to copy it on. Control V. It should appear. Oh, well, didn't really want to do that. Alright, if you press that, you get it. So I guess I'll have to make my own again. Now this is where it gets scary because I don't want to mess it up. Go boom. I know it's not going to be completely symmetry, but I can't actually change it, so add different clouds moving. So I would go at this, and I would make it going over here. Okay. Now what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to go to any scripts. I'm going to need to go to events. I'm going to need to go to repeat. You can grab it, put it there. Grab to looks. Grab backdrop here, put it right in the middle. Add to backdrop 1. Go to controls. This here. Looks again. Go. Oh no, the other one. And there. Now that would repeat and it would look like he's moving more. So that is for quite a bit of times. For now, and no, pause. It should be switching back and forth this, but it doesn't look like it's actually switching. Alright, that's weird. It should be switching. Add this to 0.1. No, that's way too fast. Just go .1. It's still fast. Let's go .8. See, it's not switching. Oh, I see what it's doing. It is switching, but so I need to go the same amount of time. Go to 7 maybe. Continuously to go. This is how to do a tiny animation. You can go crazy with stuff, but I need to pause this because it's starting to get irritating. But you can do a lot of stuff. You can go sound when you're doing it. Script, you can do that. When you're going here, you can add millions of stuff. You can even play little video games here, but I will do that in a different video. So, yeah. That's it for now. Hopefully you enjoyed. I know this is kind of a short video. This, for me, it feels like it's only been like 3 minutes, like 30 seconds. I don't know why, but it's been a lot longer than that, so goodbye!